Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Pixel 10a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. This is very important because we want to make sure that our port is clean. And after we clean our microphone port, what we're going to do is we're going to test the mic in a voice recorder app. So as you guys can see, we got the recorder right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click get started right here, allow us to send the notifications, and here you guys can back up your recordings. I'll keep it offline and click not now. Here, as you guys can see, simply we are recording now. This is actually our voice. We got the speech right here, as you guys can see, and now when we stop talking, then the line should just go straight. So even the pitch disappeared. As you guys can see, we got the transcript, and now what we're going to do is we're going to stop the recording because we made sure that everything works perfectly fine. So I'll stop the recording. Here we got it, and we can simply delete it now because we know that the microphone is working. But if yours isn't, what you guys want to do is restart the phone first. We want to reset the system, you refresh the system. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button, and tap restart. And now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software to fix any glitches. So we're going to enter the password. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the phone to turn back on. And we're going to go to the settings. Now in those settings, we're going to scroll a bit down until we see the system. Now in the system, we have software updates, and as you guys can see, my device is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you do not struggle with any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.